Hi to all the Learners Deck viewers out there. Today we'll be moving into the professional approach of Microsoft Excel. So normally people uses Microsoft Excel for basic calculations. For example, they mostly use it for some mathematical calculations or some nested if or logical operations. But if you'll go to advanced Excel, you'll see that there are functions which are used for mass amount of data. For example, if you have 500,000, 10,000 employees in your organization and you would like to pull out some particular data of any individual, so you need to use such functions, and one of those functions is lookup function. So lookup function basically looks into an array of data and returns the value based on the given set of instructions. Microsoft Excel has two types of lookup functions, the HLOOKUP and the VLOOKUP. Both functions normally work similarly. The only difference is how they are actually used and in what conditions. For example, V stands for vertical lookup and H stands for horizontal lookup. So when you're using VLOOKUP, you need to make sure that the headers of particular data are located in columns, and when you are using HLOOKUP, then the headers will be located within rows. So this is the only basic difference between both these functions. Otherwise the functionality, result and the syntax doesn't vary. So both these functions are very much important, and we need to make sure that we understand and implement both these if we are dealing with large amount of data. So please make sure that you have hit the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss the upcoming video in regards to these functions. Thanks for watching this video.